Hey everyone! So, New Year is just around the corner. And like most of the people, even you might be thinking of making some changes or taking some resolutions. And if you're like most of them, even your resolutions is going to include losing weight or trying to reach a specific goal weight. Well, with that comes the most frequently asked question, that is, how much calories should we eat to lose weight? Well, let's answer that. First of all, counting calories is not an appropriate answer you're looking to when you want to lose weight. Your calories is not going to define that how fat or how thin or how healthy you're going to be. Losing weight is multifactorial. That is, it involves many other concepts too. One of which I find the most important one is the concept of how to eat to lose weight. Well, it's very simple. First, always sit down while you're eating your meals. Second, eat in silence. That is, do not get distracted with television or YouTube or internet or video games or any such things while you're eating your meal. Because when you're distracted with those things and you're not concentrating what you're eating, you end up eating very fast and you do not know that how much you actually ate. And that is the time when you disturb the signals that your body is trying to give you when it is full or satiated. Third, take all your time you need to eat your food. Chew your food really well. Eat your food really slow. Relish your every bite you take. I have seen many of my clients just eating their food in 5 to 7 minutes and then complaining that they are not feeling full even after eating so much. As I said, that when you eat fast, you are disturbing the signals that your body is trying to send you. So even after eating a whole plate of food, a whole plate or bowl of curry or rice, you're not going to feel satiated, you're not going to feel complete. But when you really chew your food, eat your food slowly, even half of that amount of food is going to make you feel complete, happy, and satiated. And last, eat a very light dinner. This is because our activity levels in the evening or after dinner, they are really less. We hardly do any work after we eat our dinner. Also, the amount of time between our dinner and the bed is really low. So when we have heavy meals, our body is not going to burn this food in energy or fuel. So what it does is that it stores that food, that extra heavy meal as excess fat in the body. So always have a light dinner and at least 3 hours before you go to bed. I hope this is helpful and wish you all a very happy new year. I wish our lives this year are flooded with health, happiness, and peace. Thank you and bye bye.